Okay, good morning and welcome to day 10 of the 30 days challenge. And this morning we're having the moringa and the Ewedu smoothie. Okay, and our recipe will have the Ewedu, we'll have banana, we'll have moringa, we'll have the soaked date, we'll have our chia seed. This has been soaked for a while, and then we'll have the sesame seed, we'll have the cinnamon, and then we'll have the tiger nut. So like you already know, this is a simple smoothie. All you need to do is to put up all of those things according to their measurement and put them on a high-speed blender. And remember, all these requirements and measurements on this recipe is meant for 1 serving. Okay, so all you need to do is, if you have 2 or 3 more persons having this food, you have to double the recipe so you can serve more than 1 person. Okay, so right now all I need to do is to chop half cup of Ewedu leaf. Okay, okay, so all I need to do is to put this into this place. Okay, okay, so I'm putting my half cup of Ewedu leaf. Okay, so now I think I also need to put half cup of fresh moringa leaf. Okay, this is exactly half cup. Exactly, we got it. So the next thing on my list is half cup of soaked tiger nut. Okay, I have to just make this happen. This is just for me. So this is half cup already. So I'll throw this in. Then the next on my list is to have 3 soaked dates. I think I need to get my spoon. Okay, so I'm going to add in 3 soaked dates. Okay, so right now I need to do 1/4 chopped avocado. Okay, I have the 1/4 already. So all I need to do is to get it out of this place. Okay, so I'll take that out. Then I'll chop it into this place. Okay, so the next on my recipe is a 1 medium-sized banana. Okay, just cut this in and throw it into my blender. So the next thing I need to add now is 1/4 teaspoon of my cinnamon powder. Okay, okay, that is done already. So the next thing I should add now is 1 tablespoon of sesame seed for topping. Okay, that's for topping already. Okay, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds that have been soaked overnight. Okay, this should serve. Okay, so I'm just going to add some ice cubes. I have some ice cubes here, and then I'm going to use it to blend. So I have to read what the nutritionist gave so I can get the exact measurement. So at this point, I'm going to blend. think I need to blend a little more. Okay, so our moringa and Ewedu smoothie is ready to serve. So all you need to do is to pour this in a glass cup, and then you serve, add the sesame seed on top as your toppings. Do have a lovely day and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye.